everyone, it's Julie with Griot's Garage here, and I'm excited to introduce to you the PFM Trickle Trap. We've all been there. You spent all night perfecting your ride, freshly washed, dried, and ready for tomorrow's big caffeine and gasoline meet. But the next morning, disaster. Evil hard water minerals have oozed out from every crevice, door handles, emblems, headlights, and more, leaving behind the devastating aftermath of water spots and etching. But fear not! Trickles, drips, and streams will no longer haunt your dreams thanks to the PFM Trickle Trap. Featuring neodymium magnets encased in an edgeless, hyper-absorbent 900 GSM microfiber strip, it effortlessly attaches to all those notorious drip spots so you'll never get spots. As simple as set and forget. Place the strip on any ferrous metal surfaces where post-wash drips are likely to occur, and let the strip keep your paint spot-free and showroom ready. Each strip is tailored for the job at hand. PFM Trickle Traps come in a set of 4 2-inch by 4-inch strips for smaller drip zones, and Trickle Trap XLs come in a set of 2 2-inch by 12-inch strips for larger ones. Want your trickle traps to last? Keep them fresh with our microfiber and foam pad cleaner, and they'll stay soft and absorbent wash after wash. The PFM Trickle Trap is not just fun to say, it's the only way to keep the drips away. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out the PFM Trickle Trap for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.